here's something new, guys. Level bombing from 5,000 meters through cloud. We have 2 Ju-88s bombing and 5 fighters in support. Sqn is leading the bomber group. Target was the railyard at Sqn. As soon as the bombers have released their ordnance, I dive down through the cloud to see where they land. In order to bomb through the clouds, the heading, the speed, the altitude, and everything else had to be just right. There was a good deal of preparation and concentration required. All this dialed into the bomb sights of both bombers. Both strings of bombs land about 100 meters just off the target, which is pretty damn good. I get through the cloud just as they're impacting. Most impressive. If you enjoy these videos, then subscribe and maybe buy me a condo in Maui.